Hi friends, good evening. This is a concept called supply and demand zones. So I basically follow in stock market this type of concept called supply and demand with respect to the price. Means supply means selling, demand means what buying. Means this is an advanced level. Basically, I follow nine types of supply demand structure. The whole stock market depends upon in this only. Means I what I basically follow, and actually it works for me, and it actually works for you people also. This is very advanced technique. If we follow this technique, no need of following of uh, indicator and all, because basically I am following this from last one and a half year. See, I will show here. In market, if supply is increase and demand is also increase, supply increasing means the price is coming downside because the selling pressure, supply is increasing, right? This is structure here, right? Demand also increasing. Price is clear, right? uh, Hello. Right. Yes. Yes, I will show here. Yes. Yes, we are going to measure price based on supply demand here. So I basically follow this one. So total there are nine types of supply demand in market, and it will works for me and what works for you people also. This is supply and this is demand, right? In market, supply increases and demand increases. One. Another one is supply decreases, demand decreases, right? Another one is supply constant and demand also constant. Basically, we need to club these price actions on the whole stock market. You can trade any market in the world. This will depend on only these nine structure. Means supply increases, demand increases, supply decreases, demand decreases, and supply constant, demand constant. We need to follow the permutation combination in this. Means supply increases, demand decreases, supply increases, supply decreases, demand increases, supply constant, demand constant. So in all these nine perspective, the whole stock market is depend upon. I will show you an example. I will show first of all. In stock market, there is a demand increasing, right? Demand increasing means the price will go up like this, because The whenever price is coming to this line, the every time the demand is increasing, that's why price is going up, right? One increasing with respect to, if suppose supply is demand is, supply is also increasing, right? See it. Suppose if sorry, huh? At this place the supply is constant. Suppose means whenever to this level, every time it should be selling because at this place supply is increasing, right? See here. Whenever price comes, suppose if the bottom is stable means what, like this. Sorry. The everybody tells na this is very good demand zone, right? Demand means here it's at this place the demand is constant. Constant means there is an equal bottom. Whenever the prices approaches this level, again it will bounce back here, right? This is called demand is constant. Means there is an equal bottom here. With respect to if supply is constant, means there is an equal top, right? See here. I'll make it this as red. At this place here, at this place, if supply is constant means there is an equal top. If demand is constant means equal bottom. If supply is constant means equal top. Whenever price come to this level, selling. Whenever this price come to this level, selling. Another one here is supply zero and demand zero. There is no such thing exist in the stock market. If nobody to buy means this is zero completely. There no such type of available in the stock market. According to me, only we have available is only nine combinations of supply demand constant, supply demand setups. Very simple. I will show you here, sir. Yes, I will show you here. Suppose in market there is a demand, right? See here, right? What is this? This is called demand increase because whenever price to come this level, every time buyers will activate and keep price upside. With respect to this, whenever price coming here, every time the price is going to make higher lows means this low is greater than, sorry, this low is greater than this low is greater than this low, and this low is greater than this low, means demand is increasing with respect to the supply is decreasing. See here, price is coming here from this point to this point. The price is not sustaining here because first time the sellers are came and sold. Thereafter, again buyers are came and the buyers are more aggressive. That took price to the upper side, right? Like this. This means the supply is decreasing. This is one type, and another one is I will show all the demand increases structures, right? At this place, this is equal bottom, right? Means demand is increasing at this place. Whenever price come to this level, buyers taking price to the higher level. This means the demand is constant because here it's an equal bottom at this place. The supply also increasing. See here. Whenever price come to the upper side and they are going to sell, because this is very rare case in the stock market. I have example I will show here in recently in yes, another one. The supply is constant, means whenever price come to this level, they are going to sell, right? With respect to this, if demand also decreasing, we are always measure price with respect to the supply demand zone only, right? If price is decreasing, sorry, demand is decreasing, it means it will comes like this. Supply is constant but demand is decreasing. This will be broader range, means this will be equal equal top, but there is a downtrend because the demand is decreasing, right? Whenever price going up, there is a equal top because here sellers are active, means there is no higher high formation, there is only equal tops are forming, but there is an formation of lower bottom. Price is going above from here to here but not sustaining here, so it's simply dumping here. And another one is called, if demand is decreasing, right? Demand decrease means the price is here in this level, right? This supply also increasing, it means the price in, see here, demand is decreasing, supply increasing means sellers are active this place. See this, previously Here is a constant supply means this is an equal top. Whenever price is constant, mean equal top. But at this point, buyers are not aggressive. It means making an lower lows formation, but equal top. At this place, demand is increasing. The price is going up, right? But the overall trend is downside. See here. If we need breakout of the channel means anyone has to at this point after the market may go to like this, right? Thereafter it will complete sideways. Mean there is lower top lower bottom condition convert into equal top equal bottom. If the buyers are aggressive, then there is a out and again it may price go upside. If the sellers are aggressive, then price may make lower bottom retest again going to fall. I will show some examples here. See, this is example here in Nifty 50, right? At this place, the supply is increasing, right? At this place, demand also decreasing, right? Whenever price come to this level, the sellers are aggressively selling. Whenever price this level, after that it has gone to in sideways, right? Breakout it has happened, thereafter gone up. Okay, this is example of Aditya Birla Capital. See, the price is making lower top, lower bottom, and thereafter the price went to sideways or consolidation or not a head and shoulder pattern. This is the breakout retest means whenever the price come to this level, right? They are aggressively selling because at this level the supply is increasing, but there is no the demand is decreasing at this place, right? Thereafter here at this point, how much supply is there? They sold everything. Thereafter buyers become strong. And this is see here, from here is here. There is a huge in the volume accumulation. At this point, the supply has overcame, and buyers are aggressively buying. Yes, thereafter here, higher top, higher bottom, trend reversal at this point. This is not in a day because this is a very big rally from here, from 25th March. As of now, the stock is rallied up to 50%. See here. So this is breakout retest point. If we took rally from this upside, how much? Is about to 75% in last 1 year, last 7 8 months. I think with like capital. I have an example in Eicher motor, right? See at this point, this really happened in the Eicher motors. Thereafter, the price went to sideways zone, or what we call it's an equal top, equal bottom, or equal consolidation zone. What we call is yes, this zones here. At this zone, yes, at this zone, the demand is increasing, right? Yes, increasing, but there is again price coming to the same bus stop, or what we call same point. This means we can consider this as an equal bottom or and constant demand here, right? At this point, supply is constant. There is no formation of higher high. There is only formation of equal top and equal bottom. Yes. See. After that, how much rally has happened in the Eicher motor this year? I will show one live example in the BTC here. See, this is a 15-minute time frame in the BTC. See, this is the, I will off. Yes. See, at this point, is this point, see here, this is an equal bottom, right? Means at this point, at this point, the demand is increasing. Means whenever price come to this level, the price is going up, because at this point buyers are active. It means demand is increased here at this point. So there is formation of equal bottom, right? This means whenever price coming to this level, this zone acting as a demand, and along with there is formation of equal bottoms. There is no higher bottom, there is no low bottom. This is only equal bottom at this point. So we can call this point as demand is constant here, right? Whenever price coming here, see here, the formation of equal bottom. From this point, see here, simply draw trend line here. From this point to this point, right? See here. Here is a constant, demand is constant at this point. Means whenever price coming to here, the buyers are active and buying here. At this point, supply is increased here. See here. Supply is increased and market, see here. Yes. Whenever price supply is increasing, it is selling. Demand is constant, gone up. Again at this point, sellers are active. Again they sold. Right. Again it may came to same point. There is no down. This is only bottom here. Again pullback, again sold. But but at some point, see here, very big rally had happened. Yes, here. At some point, there is an decrease in the supply. Here it's an previously it's an equal higher top, and demand is constant. Thereafter it will become a higher bottom. See here, previously it will come here, thereafter it's gone up, and at this point at some particular point, there is an complete dry volume in the sellers. Means जिसको जितना बेचना चाहिए था वो ऑलरेडी बेच दिया. उसके बाद में buyers are active, and thereafter beautiful rally in the BTCS here. After this breakout points here, yes, this is the point, right? How much points we took? We took almost about an 3.67% almost means 3,347 points in the BTC. No, because I'm telling the concept means how it works. Only that is the motto, nothing else. This will work in all time frame. See, this is you can see here. See, simply dot trend line here. Whenever price coming this point, sellers are active, they sold. Price coming to this point, buyers are active, they bought here. Again, it's came to this point. It couldn't make another lower low. It's made only equal bottom. That means the demand is constant here. Whenever price coming to this point, the buyer is going to activate here. But whenever aggressive buying or selling coming in the market means if the selling is happened, thereafter buyers are aggressive. You can check this based on this volume condition also here. I will show here. See here. After that, the this much supply another supply already आ चुका है उसके बाद में this is breakout point see here. This is a 100 point 150 points risk and 300 points reward. This really not happens in every day. Simply follow the price action. There are many types of example. I will see here. This is another one example in see here. Whenever the market is sideways, there is no trade at all. Thereafter, see here. This is the point, right? Whenever this point is breakout, see, whenever the price is in range, there is no trade at all. See here. This is there is no clear cut sign here. This is a breakout point, right? This is a breakout point today morning, right? There is after no follow buying here. Simply they eat at a premium of simply accelerate. If the breakdown happens, they sold it. This is only one candle. If they couldn't book this is today morning I was sold. Yesterday night. This was thereafter it's my escalating. This is a breakout point this year. Thereafter this is a breakout point, right? From this candle. I entered this candle. This is my SL. Only single candle thereafter there is see here simply sideways and simply trapping buyer sellers. So whenever market is in only in favor of your supply demand zones, at that time only we need to trade, and that is the very good of risk reward. Then only we can make money, or else we are going simply going to trap in the market. No, sir. I have many examples here. I will show here. I will show in the day time frame. Wait. See here. See here. See here, sir. I will show here. What is structure? The structure is simple, sir. This daily time frame actually. The price coming here, suppose at this point, right? The buyer is active. Buyer is active. Sorry. Buyer is active. Buyer is active, right? At the same point, the price coming to this point, the seller is active. Seller is active. Seller is active. Right. I will show. Yes. See here. At this point, demand increase, the price gone up. At this point, sellers are heavy, they sold. This means this is the trend. Means at this point, what we call, sorry, ah, right. This is at this point, the supply is increasing. It means supply means selling. At this point, demand is increasing. It means buyers are active here. We need to combine supply with respect to demand. Means we need to club both here. Demand increase, price gone up. Supply increased, price came down. Demand increase, price gone up. At this point, the overall trend is down. See here. See here. Thereafter, at this point, from here, yes, see here. This is VCP happened here. VCP means price and volume contraction. We can simply observe, sir, at this point, right? See, look at the what happening here. This is a game changer in the breakout point. See, sir, here, here. At this point, this is nearly this trend line. It means at this point, look at the downside. See, look at the volume bars. This is volume towers are more than average volume, right? The overall downtrend is closed here. Thereafter, price went to complete sideways, sir. Means there is no buy selling here from up to 1 week, sir. But there is no selling. Means in between there are red candles here, but there is no selling candles in the volume. The price simply went to VCP, price volume contraction. Thereafter, the buyers are become very aggressive, and price took to the upper side. See, sir. Thereafter this is breakout point. How much? The rally about of 25,000 points in the BTC. I'm not means this will happen in every stock, every index, Bitcoin, crude oil, natural gas, gold, Nifty. These price action is a universal, sir, not working in not in a single stocks or index. We need to have means whenever your thinking is market is going to, whenever you feel market is going upside, right, you are thinking, whenever you are study, whenever you are thinking, if market gone up, then you will make money, sir. If your thinking is market will go up, if market came down, at that time you are lose, means we not every time we are 100%. If we are wrong, we could take stop loss, right? This is the point in the stock market. See, sir, everything is in front of yours only. There is no kala jadu, right? No, sir, this is works in every index, every stock, every commodity. See, sir, how much points, right? How much? 25, 26 points in the BTC. Thereafter, again, the price went to sideways zone. See, again, thereafter, crash. See, sir, this is day time frame chart of Sipla, right? See here. From many days, the Sipla is in sideways. This is breakout point. Thereafter, again came in the range only. There is no big trade at all. If need to breakout or breakdown. I think I have example in SRF, right? I have marked it. Yes, sir. Recently, I am having a position in the. I took position on this day only. Still holding, no problem. No, sir. Yes. See here. See, sir. This is weekly time frame in SRF, right? No, sir. I'm showing only example because how it works, right? This is very big range actually. See, sir. This is very big range actually, but I am showing example here. See here. Here. This is this. That's why we calling this is as a sideways, means here only equal top, equal bottom at this point, right? At this place, the supply is constant, sir. Sorry, demand is constant. Sorry, and supply also constant. If means if two peoples are fighting, they both have an equal force. Means nobody is going to win, sir. So at this point, this same only happening, right? See, supply is constant means equal bottom. Supply is constant means equal top. Demand is constant means equal bottom. The price is completely sideways. Thereafter, breakout happened at this point, retested, again still holding this area. I have an example in which one Deepak Nitrate, right? See, sir, this is an example in Deepak Nitrate. See, this is overall downtrend, right? Or what we call this is flag. Yes, demand is increasing, supply is also decreasing, increasing. Sorry. So this is a range. Whenever demand overcomes, thereafter how much rally happened in the Deepak Nitrate? There, this after this breakout point, right? See, how much? 52% rally. This is weekly time frame in SR Deepak Nitrate. There are many more examples, and I have another one is called night. Uh, Great Kotak. Kotak Mahindra Bank. See here. See here. This is very big range in Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? From 2021 to up to 2025, up to there are 4 years of consolidation breakout. Retest also happened. It's still in upside. I think Parady first pair, right? This is an example of demand increasing, right? See, whenever price coming this point, there is a demand increasing. Along with this, see here, demand is increasing, but supply also decreasing, right? Supply decreasing means see when a price come here, demand is increasing, gone up. The price is coming down. There is no doubt, but buyers are aggressive. Means the stock is going to make an higher lows here. See here, right? The formation of higher high, higher lows, thereafter breakout. At this point, at this point, I will write here. At this point, the demand is increasing, and along with that, supply is decreasing. That's only the price is making higher top, higher bottom, na sir. When it come to Delhi, it will understood, right? See, thereafter how much big rally happened in the see. Then you can understood, right? Yes, here. Thereafter this breakout, after this bed point, right? How much rally happened in the parity phosphates here? With 25 to 30%. Yes. Sorry, 89%. Sorry, 61% rally happened from this after this breakout point. Yes, from here to here. This is only structure. You can open some GBP, right? British pound, GB. Yes, this is see sir. This is complete downtrend. So we can call this. No, this avoid this. No, I will show another example with good example, right? See, sir, there is a downtrend. Thereafter, see, I will show some beautiful example. This is a downtrend, right? What happened here? See, sir. Sir, at this point, the supply is increased, the stock trading in the channel, and formation of lower top, lower bottom. After this, the price went to complete sideways. There is no big momentum. See here. This breakout happened, retest, but there is couldn't retest previous low. That means thereafter, this is breakout retest. How much will happen after this? Yes, this is the first area, right? You can check from here to here only. How much? 2.63% in British pound US dollar. Also very good example. Wait. I will show very good example in Nifty only, right? Yes. Yes. But we couldn't hold this much rally, but I am showing example actually. But this will works in very good example in stocks actually. We have many more in see, see here. This is formation of Yes, sir. There is here. There is a formation of lower top, lower bottom here. This is right. The price is telling I'm going down here because at this point supplies is increasing. At this point demand is decreasing. That's only price is making lower low again. Thereafter at bottoms here is a consolidation. But this is a breakout detached point. How much point happened thereafter? You can't imagine that much rally happened in the year. No, you can check only this much, not couldn't this much. How much? 700 points. After this breakout, how much point? So you can trade in, okay, because to trade in to track index or to invest index, you can play through it Nifty ETF, Nifty 50 ETF, Nifty Bank ETF, Sensex ETF. There are many kind of groups are there to in the Nifty 50, Nifty Bs. So there are many. If you want to suppose if in this month you are bullish on the Nifty auto, right? You don't know in which stock we need to go into put your all means. Suppose if you are feel to choose a stock, then you can go and choose in Nifty auto whole index, Nifty 50, Nifty auto index. See here in this rally in Nifty auto, this much has happened. I will show here. See here, sir. See, I will show some example in this rally. See here, yes, because this is very much important, right? At this bottom, at this top, the price is moving to equal top equal bottom converted into equal top equal bottom converted into this is higher bottom. This is also one of the sign. Thereafter thereafter given the beautiful rally in the Nifty auto, right? See here, I will show you from this point to this point how much, around of 14% in the Nifty auto index. You can play. Suppose if you choose a wrong stock by any guidance, right? Example, we have an Tata Motors, Tata Motors passenger vehicle. This is against of the trend. See here. The Nifty auto index is performed well, but Nifty in this stock couldn't do well. How much? This almost crashed by 23% in means this is total down by almost 50%. But this 23% is down. Means suppose if you are failed to choose a good stock, then you can play through this ETFs and all. Yes. Uh, this much only, friends, from my side. This is concept exam of suppose supply demand. It will works in every market. Uh, Whatever I know, whatever I discovered, whatever I researched from these days, this I'm trying to tell people. So please follow the supply demand concepts. And if you want any further information about this video, then you can message me. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.